Stories today are passive. You read them, you watch them, but you never live inside them. What if you could shape a story with your own voice? See it illustrated in real time, hear every character speak with their own voice, and have a companion who listens and reacts, all powered by Gemini. This is inCharacterLive. Let me show you. You can watch the previous year's story, or you can create a new one. Here it asks for a story outline. You can write your own or roll the dice to choose one from the random lists. Now let's use an example. We just use a random one. Well, you can see the word construction log on the right. Will it generate? Meet Pixie, your story companion. She's powered by Gemini Live API with real-time bi-directional audio. You can pick a personality, playful, wise, or even snarky. Each has a distinct voice. Or you can pick its appearance. We have a lot of choices, but just in case none of them fit, you can describe your own. It will start to call the Gemini, generate the avatar, give it a name, and also create the customized animation. And save it forever for your future stories usage. Now I see the characters tab unlocked. Let's take a look. As you can see, each character has its own 3-view reference sheet from Gemini Flash, and also a voice choices from a catalog of 30 options. If you don't like the look, you can describe a change here. For example, make her hair blue. And while it's generating, so we can also take a pic of each of the voices by listening first.
Greetings, traveler. I am your guide through this.
Greetings, traveler. I am your guide.
Greetings, traveler. I am your guide through this
And
tale.
you can choose the one you like the best, and you see the 3-view auto change based on your descriptions. Now, since everything is ready, we can go ahead and start the story. Here is what's happening under the hood. Right now, there are 6 Gemini models for different purposes running in parallel, some for story generation, some for image generation, and some for voices generation, all fire simultaneously. And there is a Live Agent companion connects through WebSockets for the Live Agent, and also for storage. You can use Base for persistence.
Rain lashed against the shop window, a relentless drumbeat drowning out the ticking of 1,000 clocks. Elias hunched over his workbench, his brass loop pressed to his eye. Between his grease-stained fingers rested the Ethereum chronometer, his life's work. He gave the mainspring one final, delicate turn.
Peekaboo! The story's paused, so what?
Hello, can you tell me what happened in the story so far?
Analyzing the magical thread to catch you up.
So the picture is actually thinking of
A
the fact from
moment
Ledger.
frozen in time. So Elias used his super cool masterpiece, the Ethereum chronometer, and accidentally froze everything around him. Then he found his apprentice, Clara, completely still, which proved the chronometer is seriously powerful.
And the Live Agent delivered real-time bi-directional audio that is interactable, context-aware, and tool-enabled. So this is the Live API doing what it was built for.
Then depressed the crown. Click. The drumbeat of rain vanished. The rhythmic ticking of the shop ceased abruptly. A deafening silence swallowed the room.
Have I broken them all?
He looked up. Outside the soot-stained window, a carriage hung suspended, its wheels frozen mid-splash over a muddy puddle. Above his desk, a single bead of water hovered motionless mid-drip. Time had stopped.
Elias pushed his stool back. The wood scraped loudly against the floorboards, a harsh and solitary sound in the absolute stillness.
This cannot be.
He stepped into the shop's front.
One more thing, stories aren't linear, they are trees. So I'm supposed to go back to any bit and rebranch. So what if I made a different choices? And thanks for the interactive API provided
The
by
brass
Gemini,
tumblers of the Royal Archivist's
I
vault gave a
supposed to be
final
able
heavy
to
click.
select and rewrite
Ilara
from
slipped
any
inside,
point.
leaving the
So it's going to be
fog-choked
the same
streets of
character,
Oakhaven
same word,
behind.
but different paths.
Hundreds of bottled
This is an
experiences lined
interactive
the mahogany
storytelling down
shelves,
to a real-world
glowing like
script.
trapped fireflies. She ignored them. Her prize sat
So this is inCharacterLive, 6 Gemini models, parallel generation, Live Voice Companion, interactive branching, all running on Google Cloud. So it's the stories you don't just read, it's the stories you made.